Hello friends, today's date is 14th September 2021 and today's video topic is SQL, types of SQL. First, we have to see the SQL. What is the SQL? SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database, and it is also used to perform a specific task, function and queries of data. Then SQL can perform the various tasks like create a table, add data to tables, drop the tables, then modify the tables and set permissions for users. So now we can see the types of the SQL commands. There are 5 types of SQL commands. First one is DDL, second one is a DML, third one is a DCL, fourth one is a TCL, and last one is a DQL. We can see the one by one in detail. First is data definition language, that is mean by DDL. The DDL changes the structure of the table, like creating a table, then deleting a table, and altering a table, etc. All the command of data, DDL are automated. That means it permanently save all the changes in the database. The commands that come that's used in DDLs. The first one is create, then alter, drop, and truncate. So first we have seen the create. Create is used to create a new table in the database. Then a syntax, create table, table name, then column name and data types up to n. Example is create table, employee name, in bracket name, varchar2 20, and email varchar2 100, and date of birth. This is the example of the create. Then now we can see the drop. Drop, it is used to delete the both the structure and record stored in the table. Syntax is a drop table, then table name. For example, drop table employee. Next one is a alter. It is used to alter the structure of the database. This change could be either to modify the characteristics of an existing attribute, or probably to add a new attribute. Syntax is alter table name, add column name, then column and definition. Then next one is a truncate. Truncate, it is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. The next type is a data manipulation language, means DML. It is used to modify the database, and it is responsible for all the form of changes in the database. Some commands are used in database, that is insert, update, delete. Insert, now we can see the insert. The insert the statement in is a SQL query. It is used to insert the data into the row of a table. For a syntax of insert is a insert into table name, column first, column second up to column n, and values, value first, value second up to value n. The next one is update. This command is used to update or modify the value of a common in the table. Syntax is update table name, set column name 1 is equal to name 1 up to column name n is equal to value n where condition. And next one is a delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. We can see the syntax. Delete from delete from table name where conditions. Example is delete from college where student name is student is equal to xyz. Third type is a data control language. The DCL means commands are used to grant and take the back authority from any database users, and this grant and revoke these commands are used in the data control language. The grant is used to give the user access privileges to a database, and revoke it is used to take back permission from the users. Next one is a transaction control language. The means TCL. TCL commands can only use with data manipulation language commands like insert, delete, and update. These operations are automatically committed in the database. That's why they cannot be used while creating table or dropping them. The commands are come with TCL is a commit, a rollback, and save point. Commit is a command. It is used to save all the transaction to the database. Then rollback is a command. It is used to undo the transactions that have not already been saved to the database. Syntax is a rollback. Next one is a save point. It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transaction. And fifth one is a data query language. That means DQL. It is used to fetch the data from the classes, and it uses only one command, select. The select it is the same as the projection operation of a relational algebra, and it is used to the select the attribute based on the conditional described by where clause. So it's all about the information of the types of SQL. Thank you so much.